Non-recursive descent parser, how it works. Suppose this grammar is given and this grammar is having left recursion. As we know, L tends to L comma S. So first remove the left recursion. Then what it will be? It will remain same, and it will be L tends to SL dash, and L dash tends to epsilon and comma SL dash. And suppose we need this string a comma a comma a, and this shows the end of the string, but we need this string suppose. So what we will do, as we do always, start with S, and because first we need the bracket, so we will take this production S tends to opening bracket L closing bracket. Then what is required? A required. Then we will take SL dash, SL dash, then S tends to A. So we will take A. Then SL dash tends to comma SL dash, because after that comma is required. So we will take comma SL dash. Then again S tends to A. Then L dash tends to again comma SL dash, because we need opening bracket A comma A comma A. So opening bracket A comma A comma. Now A is required and closing bracket is there. Now nothing is required, so we will make it epsilon, because L dash tends to epsilon. So we'll reach to our string. And same thing we can do in stack also, but now we learn how the production is going on. Now we learn in different way. So first we write input here, what input we have, then we write what is in stack, and then what production we are using. Like that we'll write. So first what is the input? We have what we want, A comma A comma A, and this shows the end of the string. This is required. So what is in our stack? Initially we have dollar symbol, because it is shows that after when we reach here, it shows that the string is we reach to the string, or we can say completing the string. So stack is there. So from which symbol start from S symbol, so we will write S here. So after that, what production we have taken here? S tends to bracket L bracket. So this is the production we have taken, S tends to bracket L bracket. After that, what will happen? Because how we write in a stack? How we write in a stack? We write like this, bracket L bracket. We write like this. So first what will come? This will come. That's why we are writing like this, closing bracket L opening bracket. Fine, because this come first, that's why we are writing here this. So after that we do like this. So what is left then? And then this is completed, because we get this one, so this is completed. So what is left? Input A comma A comma A. So now what we will do, this we have, and L tends to SL dash we will taking, S tends to SL dash we are taking, and after that what we are taking? S tends to A. So we will write S tends to A here. So now what is left? This L dash A, because L tends to SL dash and S tends to A, so L dash A is left. So here A is over. So what is left now? What is left now? Or you can write like this also if you have any doubt. Instead of this, after that we'll write L dash S and S tends to A. L dash S, you understand, because SL dash we write like this, SL dash. So first what will come? L dash S, because in stack we write like this, so first L dash will come. That's why L dash S. So now what is left? Comma A closing bracket and dollar symbol. After that, what production we are taking here, because A is over now, so L dash tends to what we'll take, comma SL dash. So first will come L dash S comma, it will come like this. So we will write L dash S comma instead of S, because what is left now, only L dash is left because A is over here. So instead of L dash, what we are writing, L dash S comma, from here it is clear, comma SL dash, so L dash S comma. So again comma is over from here and S tends to A, production will go only because we required A. So after that what we will write, comma comma is over, only S tends to A is also over. So what will left, instead of comma is over here, S tends to A over here, so we will write L dash A here. So this production is over. So comma is over, A is over, so what is left, comma A and dollar, and here comma L dash. So again L dash tends to what we will take, comma SL dash, L dash tends to comma SL dash, we will take SL dash. So dollar, instead of L dash what we will write L dash S comma, because we write in opposite direction, that's why we write L dash S comma. Then now comma is over and comma is over, and what is left now, L dash S. So instead of S what we will write, S tends to A, so comma is over from here, A is over from here, so what is left, from here and here we will write L dash A. So A is also over, so what is left, this and what is left here, opening bracket, sorry, closing bracket, L dash only left, and now our string is completed and this bracket we have. So simply we will put L dash tends to epsilon because it is not required now, so we will simply write L dash tends to epsilon. So now what will left, this become epsilon, so what will left, only this left, and this we also completed here. So what is left here and here, see, it means it is accepted. We reached to the end, it means it is accepted. We reach to the end of the stack, or we can say starting of the stack, it means our string this string is accepted. And in this way we work in the stack. And how stack work, like every time it is taking production and putting the value, and then whatever it is getting, like that it is accepting the string. So this is simply LL1 parser, because it requires single entry in each row. This is simply LL1 parser because it is having single entry in each row.